Alrighty, here's a new press. For this one, it's got 4 mold plates. So your top plate is connected right there. Your mold plates literally just slide in. And each mold is perfectly aligned, so there's no adjustments needed with switching it. Mold number 3. And mold number 4. So lining up the mold, there is 3 guides, 1 on back, 1 on each side. They slide in and out. To change your mold plate, you literally just turn the tangs and your top mold plate slides right out. And then your new mold plate will slide right in. It is a tight fit, so that way it doesn't wobble, and then you turn them back down, holds it in place. And then once he's changed it, he'll put another mold back in. There you go.